Hello, children. I hope you all are good. Today, we are going to go through a very interesting chapter, which is Why Do Bees Buzz? It's the English chapter, chapter number 4. Here, we are going to see the reasons why the bees buzz. I'm sure you must be knowing the meaning of the word buzz. It's nothing but the sound made by the bees. Before I begin with the chapter, let's read. Have you ever tried to listen carefully to the sounds around us? Yes, I'm very sure you must have heard various sounds when we are quiet. When we are talking, we are not able to listen to any sounds coming from around us, right? When we feel that everything is quiet, we can still hear the sounds of animals, insects, or birds around us, especially when we are near a tree or a garden. Why near a tree or a garden? Because there are so many animals, birds, insects in on a tree or in a garden. Okay, different animals, insects, or birds make different kinds of sounds and for different reasons. Now let's read the story about one such sound. Buzz. Hey, what's all that buzz about? Is it a code word used by bees to call their friends? Or a hum of excitement when honey is spotted? Bees, particularly bumblebees, make a loud buzzing sound as they fly. So, in this chapter, we are going to read about various characteristics of bumblebees. Bumblebees is nothing but a different species of bees, right? The sound is made when the wings beat up and down. Beating up and down means moving up and down. The smaller the wings, the faster the bees have to beat them in order to fly. And the quicker the beat, the louder the buzz. That means the size of the wings matter for creating the buzzing sound. The bees are having smaller wings, that is why they have to beat or move it up and down fast, or you can say quicker, and that is creating a lot of buzzing sound. Bees also buzz to do something very useful. They carry pollen from one flower to the other, like postmen delivering letters. So here the bumblebees are compared to postmen. What does a postman do, children? Postman is delivering letters. He is going to every house to deliver the letters. In the same manner, these bees also carry pollen from one flower to another. Okay, now let's read the new words which have come on this page. The first word, buzz, it means sound made by the bees. Code word, what is the meaning of code word? It's secret word. Hum, a low continuous sound. Next word is beat. Beat means to move. Now let's go through the new words on this page. Pollinators means animals or things that help in pollination. Sprout means start to grow. We all eat sprouts regularly, right, kids? Lively means energetic. Quivering means shaking. Godfathers means people who help in developing something. Segmented means having different parts or sections. Bumpy means uneven. Let's read the paragraph now. Pollen is the powdery grain on flowers. Pollen helps plants to make seeds. Bees are excellent pollinators. Thanks to them, many new plants grow and sprout all around. How do those tiny grains of pollen stick to bees' feet? Let's read. So, the name given to the bumblebees is excellent pollinators. They are also known as excellent pollinators. Why? We'll just see in the next paragraph. Okay. When bees sit on a flower to suck honey, the grains of pollen stick to their feet and bodies. Then When the same bees buzz near a flower and perform a lively dance, the quivering shakes the pollen off on other flowers. The bees then fly to other flowers where they leave the pollen behind to pick up new ones, and this process continues. Bees are the buzzing godfathers of many new plants that grow away from the parent tree. So, children, bumblebees have got another name. They are also known as buzzing godfathers. Okay, they are called as excellent pollinators also here in this chapter, and they are also known as buzzing godfathers. Why they are known as buzzing godfathers? Because many new plants grow away from the parent tree. Now, how does bumblebee help in pollination? The bumblebees sit on a flower and the pollen grains, which is the powdery material, it stick to the feet and bodies of the bumblebee. And when they fly and go to another flower, they are dancing. Okay, the dance, what while they are dancing, the pollen falls off onto the other flowers, and in this manner pollination happens. And we have already seen that pollination helps in making seeds. Okay, and seeds are used to grow the new plants, right? If pollination will not happen, fruits will never grow, and inside the fruit seed is there, and from the seed we get the new plants. That is why these bees are known as excellent pollinators. Got it? Let's read further. Can you hear your own breath? Usually not, but you can hear a bee breathing. That is because the buzz is also the sound of the bee breathing. It has a small segmented body, so when it breathes, the air gets on a roller coaster ride through all those bumpy parts inside and creates a buzz. So here the author is saying that since the bee is breathing, the buzzing sound is happening. Okay, sounds pretty exciting, doesn't it? Aren't those busy bees truly amazing? Now, there are 4 reasons given over here for the buzzing sound of bumblebees. The first one was that they are using the code word to call their friends. Next is when they spot the honey, they get excited, and that is the sound of the buzz. Okay, next is when they are flying, they are moving their wings up and down, and hence the buzzing sound is produced. The next one is when they are breathing, the air which goes inside their segmented body, that creates the buzzing sound. Is it interesting? Yes. Thank you.